Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this tutorial I would like to show you the way how to lock application on your iPhone with the passcode or Face ID. So before I do that, you need to make sure that your phone is already activate the passcode and Face ID to lock your phone or to unlock your phone. So whenever you already use that to make or to secure your security, so you just need to directly go into the shortcuts. So if you cannot find the shortcuts in the home screen, you just need to slide the home screen into the left side until you are in a home library or in the app library, and after that you just need to type a shortcuts in the search button. And whenever you already found the shortcut, you just need to go click it to open it. And this is the a look of the shortcuts application, and sometimes you will be bring in the shortcuts part, but then we need to jump into the automation in the middle spot here. You just need to click it to access it. And now we just need to create the new automation by click this plus button, and after that you need to choose the create personal automation. And now you just need to scrolling down until you found an app right here, and then you just need to go click it. And now you just need to choose the application that you want to lock. So here I would like to lock let's see, they meet you here. This is the application to track my menstrual tracked. So you just need to go click the applications that you want to lock, and after that you just need to go click done. And whenever you already inputting this, you just need to go click as opened, means that whenever someone who want to open this application, and after that you just need to go click next. And now we need to add an action, so you just need to go click this part, and let's just find out lock. So you just need to type lock in the search button, and after that you just need to go click this part, the lock screen. And now you just need to go click next, and you just need to confirm not or inactivate this ask before running, so it will be automatically running. And after that you just need to go click done. And now let's try to open the menu applications. You see the applications, whenever someone try to open the application, your phone is automatically locked, and they will be open or automatically open whenever you enter the passcode or the Face ID is already matched with the system. So that's the way how to lock application on your iPhone. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. Don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and see you for the next video.